All right, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo in the Windy series. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo. It's made in the USA in Bradford, PA, and it's called Zippo Windproof Lady. I think it says 1935 on there. Zippo Windproof Lady 1935. Nothing special about the box except, of course, it's made in the USA. Now this one is on, it looks like a brushed chrome. Well, it could be street chrome. Anyway, it's chrome. There is the Zippo Windy Lady. And down here it says 1935 on the lower right corner. That looks like it says Windproof Lady. Nice Zippo logo on there with the flame on the eye. Now this one was made recently, and it looks like C. Yeah, it looks like C of 17. Good stampings on this one. That's March of this year. Really good sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. It's kind of a retro design from the 30s. Let's do a drop test on this with a lit drop test. So it passes the lit drop test. Now this one is an addition to my collection of the Windy lighters. I think there's about a dozen of these in production. I have a few. Here's 4 other ones. So that is the Windy Zippo. And all Zippos, all genuine Zippos are made in the USA and deserve just a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.